people. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope everyone is doing well and doing great. Welcome. This is Miss Lady Abigail here, and this is my channel, okay? And you are welcome. Guys, if you hear any noise, it's my baby, okay? Excuse me. I'm a mom, and every mom understands, okay? It's not easy to film when your kids are around, but I have no choice because schools are closed and they are home. So yeah, it's part of it. So guys, how are you doing? I hope, like I said, you are doing great. I just want to take a moment, okay, to appreciate all my subscribers. I mean, my very few subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you, okay? God bless you. And if you just find my channel, okay, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Make sure you stay. Don't just watch and go, but then subscribe and then stay, okay? This channel is all about growing together. It's about learning, and it's also about fun, okay? And you have fun here, so just be part of the family. Let's grow together because we are growing, you know. It's a growing channel, so let's grow, be part of it, and let's grow together. Love you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. So guys, in today's video, I just want to show you guys the products that I'm using for my natural hair growth, okay? My natural hair journey. You guys know I had my second big chop. I'm on a journey once again to grow my natural hair, and today I just want to show you guys all the products that I'm currently using. I don't have much because I'm just starting, so I don't have much, so I will just be adding as I go, and I'll be sharing them with you guys, okay? So let's get right. Here is Cantu shampoo. I have their cleansing cream shampoo. This is the shampoo that I'm currently using, and sometimes I will just grab this from Helba. No, this is from Garnier. I will just grab this also. So these are the two shampoos that I'm currently using for my hair. And then when it comes to conditioner, I have also their conditioner. Guys, it's not easy filming with the kids around, but a mom's gotta do what a mom's gotta do. I have to film this video. I hope you bear with me, okay? Thank you so much. So guys, this is the conditioner. It is also from Cantu. I'm using their conditioner also. And then I have here, and I also have this conditioner also from Garnier. And yeah, I also use this for detangling, and then yeah, for deep conditioning. Sometimes I'll mix this and then this conditioner together, the two together, and then I'll use them for conditioning and deep conditioning. And then I have this also from Cantu, their curl activator cream that I got last time, and this is what I used last time for my twist, yeah, together with Eco Styling Gel. Here I have my shea butter mix that I made. Yeah, my shea butter mix is also ready for my hair. As far as oils are concerned, I'm using vitamin E oil, and I have here argan oil also that I'm also using. And then I have here aloe vera oil, and then again I have here, oh, one of my favorite oils, castor oil, okay? You can't go wrong with castor oil, so I'm also using this oil also. And then I have here avocado oil. What oil again do I have? I have tea tree oil also. Yeah, I have that one too. I'll be using that one also. And then, oh my god, I'm in love with this oil. before I show you this oil, okay, like I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Don't mind my voice. I'm in love with this oil. Like, this oil does magic to my hair. It's amazing. And I'm here to present to you one of my favorite oils. Drum roll. Bam! Olive oil. Oh my god, like, I'm in love with this product. Olive oil is so amazing, guys. If you've not tried olive oil for your hair, please go grab olive oil, because it does magic to the hairs. Okay, like, I love you. Okay, you are so wonderful. I love you. Oh, I love you. Thank you for being you. You are so amazing. You do wonders. Yeah, you do wonders to our foods, and you do wonders to our hair also. Thank you so much for being who you are. Oh, give me a hug. Oh. Oh, olive oil, guys, is really amazing. I'm in love. Like, I can't do without this oil now. Like, I can't do without it. Okay, you guys can see I'm hyping olive oil. Yes, because I love olive oil for cooking, and then for my hair. Oh my god. Oh, it's my favorite oil. So if you don't, like, you've not used olive oil for your hair, make sure you go grab olive oil. Okay, go grab one and start using for your hair, and come and testify. Write it under the comments. Okay, tell me whether you liked it, how it was for you. Okay, let me know, because me, I'm like, you guys can tell I'm in love with this oil. Okay, I really like olive oil. So guys, these are all the products. Okay, these are all the oils that I'm currently using for my hair. Like I said before, I don't have much, but I know as time goes on, I will discover new things, and then when I discover new things, I will come and share them with you guys. And then I'll be trying out new things. I mean, everything that I see on YouTube, I will just try it and then show you guys, because I need length. Okay, I want my hair to grow. I want my hair to look beautiful. I want to rock my natural hair. So I will try, I will experiment, and then I will show you guys. I'm so excited this time. I know I've done this before, but this time I'm so excited to be sharing every step with you guys. Okay, anything I discover, I will come and share. Anything I find, I'll come and show. Like this, I discovered olive oil for my hair, and I'm so in love, and I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm sharing everything of today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy, please show me some love, like I showed to the olive oil. Show me love. Show me love. Like, comment, share. Let me know if you guys enjoy my videos, okay? Because I need feedback to know if you guys enjoy my videos, and if you have any idea of any videos that you would want me to make, let me know, because I have more coming up. It's not going to be hair and vlogging. I have more sit and talk videos. Is it right? Sit and talk? Yeah. I think so. I will be sitting and I'll be talking, like general issues will be, like, a lot is coming. Okay, so please subscribe and stay with me. Okay, so show me some love. Let me know, like, you like my channel and you like me. Oh, am I not a good girl? I'm a good girl, so I know you will love me. So show me some love. Show Miss Lady Abigail some love. Okay, I love you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will come back and you bring new people. You will spread the word to people, and they will come back to me. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Mwah. Like my baby would say, bloki ma to you all. Give me her. Oh, bam, atu. I love you guys for watching today's video. God bless you. Make sure you stay safe and you stay blessed. God bless you. Till next time, see you. Stay safe and stay blessed. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I love you.